that every custom format in Excel is having 4 sections. One for positives, negatives, zero and text. Most people only use the first one. That means you are using just 25% of the power available to you. The other 75%, that's where the real control lives. In this video, I'm going to walk you through this 4-section structure of the Excel formatting codes, and we will cover how to control all those positive numbers, negative numbers, zero values independently. We'll also learn how to replace your zero with a blank or a dash, and one Excel trick that hides the cell content completely without changing the font color to white. Let's go. Now let's go back to our sheet, the previous sheet, and here there are certain numbers over here. Look at these numbers. These are the numbers. Okay. Before that, let me also show this. Sometimes you may be having some numbers like this, and many times you get zero values in your data. Zero values in your data. Now I am trying to display all these things in the 1000 formatting. Maybe I'm trying to display all these things in the 1000 formatting. That's fine. But I don't want to display these zero values because they are not adding any value. Rather than zero, it would be good if I show it as a blank or maybe as a hyphen. Right? That's how sometimes we want to show our numbers. In that scenario, what you would need is, you would need this logic. The first section represents positives. The second section represents negatives. The third section represents zero values. So now imagine the formatting code here. Control 1, custom. I am trying to represent this as my code for all the values, but I can customize it further. I can say semicolon. So as soon as I put semicolon, that means this is for positive numbers, and the after the semicolon, the section after the semicolon will be used for negative numbers. So for the negative numbers, I can say show me as negative hash comma hash hash 0. For the negative number, show me hash comma hash hash 0. For the positive number, show me hash comma hash hash 0. Only negative sign is the different. But I can add one more semicolon. What is the third section? Third section represents the zero values. Now for the zero values, I can type it as 0. So show me 0. But I don't want to see the 0. 0 is having no value as such. So maybe I can put something like double quote and double quote. Now when I put double quote, that means it is kind of a blank. And if I apply this, look at this. Those zero values, they are actually 0. But they are not being shown in the formatting because for the third section, I have mentioned that show me the blank. So I can keep my numbers even cleaner. Something which is not adding any value, I can totally take it off during the display. But many times, many people might consider it as a blank cell. It looks good, but some people might consider it as a blank cell. That doesn't mean that it is a blank cell. It is actually zero cells. So to represent zero, sometimes what people say, rather than showing double quote, you can put double quote, hyphen and double quote. So what will happen? Now the hyphen will be represented in place of the zero values. Actually, this is a zero cell, you can see. But now because of the formatting, I am showing it in hyphen. So look at this. Something before semicolon, that's positive. Then the second section is for negative and the third section is for 0. So you can put the way you want to show your zero values. Okay. Or maybe, let me make it a little more funny. Or maybe you can put, and here in place of hyphen, you can put no sales and press OK. So wherever it is 0 sales, it is showing no sales. So then we get into the advanced formatting territory as soon as we start utilizing these semicolon sections. Okay, now look at this. Something amazing which I learned maybe 10-12 years back, that these are the numbers which I am trying to show. And here I could have written 4 sections, 4 different formattings. What if I don't write anything? I just put semicolon, semicolon and semicolon. What does it mean? It means I don't want to show anything for the positive number. I don't want to show anything for the negative number. And I don't want to show anything for zero values or text values. So triple semicolon is actually a code to hide your content. So content is still there. But because of that formatting, You're saying, I don't want to put any formatting code for my positive, negative, or zero values or text values, and that's why it is not shown. Sometimes when people don't want to show things, what do? They select the cells and they change the color to white. That's what they are doing. But it can be changed based on the triple semicolon formatting also. So this is the formatting code if you don't want to show anything, triple semicolon, because it is generating 4 sections and you are not mentioning anything in those sections, and that's why it will not show anything in the formatting. So I learned this formatting code a long back to hide things, but I was not aware of the logic that why it is like eliminating or like not displaying anything. The reason is because you are not mentioning anything in the 4 sections. Now let us take it to one more level up by displaying things in different manner. So we got to know how to control positive, negative, zero values and the text. 4 sections, one single formatting code, and total control is yours. Like and subscribe if you are going through this series for the first time, because the next one builds directly on top of this. We are going to learn how to use dynamic number formatting based on the magnitude of the value of that particular cell. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.